The Clippard Eclipse is a proportional isolation valve like no other. Utilizing patented slide technology, it achieves exceptional proportional flow resolution that far exceeds the competition. Traditionally, the SCPV needle valve has been our big stepper-driven proportional offering. Using a 15-degree step angle motor to position a 3.5-degree needle through a 152 thousandths orifice, it provides very accurate variable flow control. But it can't provide the finer levels of control of lower flow rates for fluid and gas that your molecular level and/or hostile applications require. This is where the Eclipse, our patented stepper-driven proportional isolation valve, comes in. Instead of a needle profile, it features a sweeping slot that provides true zero dead volume, less than 1/1000th of a cubic inch, and is fully flushable. This is accomplished by using two lap surface ceramic plates, with the top plate being driven by our NEMA 8 1.8 degree step angle stepper motor. This new motor is a significant enhancement to the overall control of the valve. With the Eclipse, the approximate 24 thousandths flow path can be controlled and varied by microstepping the position from full step to as little as a 16th step. In other words, you can change the position of approximate 24 thousandths flow path up to 18,000 times. So the Eclipse provides a completely inert, wetted, fully flushable flow path, is bi-directional control, and the ability to be microstepped to as little as a 16th step. But also, because of the unique design of the flow path profile, it gives you the ability to create a soft start. As you can see here, our flow paths are rounded. As the top plate transitions across the bottom plate, the radii edges of both flow paths, as they overlap, create an eclipsing of the two flow paths. This allows for a finely controlled soft start that gradually introduces your fluid or gas into or out of critical control areas at a controlled ramp rate to prevent damage or turbulence. Finally, we provide an encoder shaft for you to connect to if you decide to attach an encoder. What's nice about the encoder shaft is it acts as a manual control override when power is lost. The Eclipse comes in two models, a zero dead volume version for fluid or critical gas, or a manifold version for gas control. With either version, the standard offering features a flow path that is fully flushable and composed entirely of inert ceramic, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of media and making it more than ready for hostile fluids or gases such as ammonia. For applications that demand exceptional liquid or gas control, Clippard's Eclipse offers outstanding precision and unrivaled resolution. If you have any questions or need assistance with a proportional control application, please give us a call. I am Doug Painter, Proportional Product Manager here at Clippard. Thank you for your time.